Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I have here with me a pomegranate fruit, if I say it right. I've learned that the juice of this fruit has been used in ancient times and it is known for their medicinal properties. It is naturally sweet and loaded with antioxidant, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. As a disclaimer guys, before we start, I'm not anyone else like a medical expert. I'm just a simple mom who stay home and would like to stay healthy. One of the health benefits that I've learned in my readings are it clears clogged arteries, prevent cardiovascular disease, lowers blood cholesterol levels, may help treat prostate cancer, lowers blood pressure, may treat kidney stone, may treat and prevent diabetes, help manage arthritis, may help fight Alzheimer's disease, may fight breast cancer, may fight skin cancer, may help prevent colon cancer, may promote oral health, may boost digestive health, may promote weight loss, can strengthen the immune system. It could be beneficial during pregnancy, may help treat fatty liver disease. So, those are just the few of the things that I've learned while reading about this fruit. There are a lot more to learn, but for now, that's all I can share with you. Now, let's go to the juicing process of this fruit. Now, to juice this pomegranate fruit, we have to get the seeds of it. There are a lot of ways how to get the seeds. So I think it's really up to you guys how you take the seeds of this. First is we're going to open this here, but like I said, it's up to you what's your way in order to get the seeds. So I already cut the top part of it. Now we're going to slowly cut some so we can get the seeds out of this. But there are a lot of ways how to get, so it's up to you how you do it, as long as you are comfortable with it. We're gonna slowly do that and see there are lots of seeds. So we're going to use a big bowl and take the seeds out. We can do like that so the seeds will come out. So some of the seeds out already. Seeds is out. won't take long. Some people have a different way how to take the seeds. So like I said, I guess it's up to you. If you're comfortable doing like this, then do it. Here's our seeds now. It's ready. That's a lot. So now it's time to make the juice. Some people use their juicer, but with the kind of juicer I want, I don't think so it's gonna work. So I have to use my blender to juice. Now we're going to put this in our blender. Okay, the seeds now is in the blender. So to start, all we have to do is to add just a little bit of water in it. So it will a little bit easy for us to juice. Now let's do it. Now it's done. So the next thing we have to do is to use the strainer in order to separate the pulp and the juice. So I have here a little strainer that I'm going to use. So let's pour the juice little by little. Just like that, and we have to help using the spoon in order for the juice to come out, and we have to press. We have to hold. Just keep pressing it till the juice come out, everything, till we see the pulp is dry. Okay, so the pulp now is dry. So this is how it looks like. There's some seeds in it. So now let's enjoy the pomegranate juice. Now let's put our juice in our glass. So this is our juice, guys. We only have one pomegranate, so we don't get much. Here's our juice. Cheers! Pomegranate juice for today. Good. Excellent. I love the taste. So, thank you so much guys for today. And if you have any comment, any suggestion, please comment it down below. And if you did not subscribe yet, please subscribe and share to someone else who might want this kind of juice. Thank you for watching. Bye!